We are about 3 weeks into with this job. Um, there are quite a few videos. We've done it in stages. This e-tron came in. We had it in the workshop on the rollers. Um, the car would not move. Obviously, would not turn on. Is a fully electric vehicle. Also, parking brake was on. Now we are at the stage that, for first time in probably about 8 months, we are going on the road test with this e-tron. Um, we've done quite a few things on it, some wiring repairs, parking brake repair. Main thing, it was charging the high voltage battery. Quite an interesting. So if you look back, you'll see the videos. We're about to put the trade plates because the car does not have road tax and MOT. It's been stood for a long time. Trade plates, um, they are to be used when a car has no MOT and road tax. Obviously, we have trade insurance to drive this car. We also had some problem on the suspension, some links. It's very interesting how both of them, they were broken, and the car was sitting incorrectly. We replaced the sensors for the front suspension. Now we're gonna put a plate and we'll head into a first drive test. We just want to see how this is going to drive after so long. Let's hope we're gonna be able to secure it here. Okay, let's see the road come on the other side. We still have some faults. Actually, one thing that I want to show you. Let me take the camera. So this that indicates the car was staying for a long time. Look at the brakes, very rusted. So we're gonna clean off the brakes now and see if we're gonna uncover anything else. We know there are still some faults related with okay, with the telematics control unit. Telematics control unit that also shows on the dash antenna. When this vehicle was stolen. Okay, so we have drive. Whoa, those are noisy. So when the vehicle was stolen, the telematics antenna was ripped apart. This is usually what they do. Just gonna take it slowly. Try the brakes a few times. Yeah, very noisy with so much rust on it. The first time, yeah, like I said, in the last more than 6-8 months, I would say. I was just talking with the customer the other day when he came in. First time we have this Audi back on the road. Don't think it would have been such a big job if the car would not been stood for such a long time, because this has discharged the battery, the high voltage battery, and this made everything more comprehensive. So far feels good. Yeah, brakes. Steering wheel is a bit offset, so I'm not sure why, but it might need a wheel alignment. Other than that, don't hear any strange noises, and acceleration is fine. Yeah, we still have a couple of warning lights on. That still needs checking, but acceleration is good. Braking is improving, obviously, with all the rust cleaning from the calipers. But I think, yeah, picks up, seems good. Well, I think overall, when we draw the line, a comprehensive job, and yeah, the most comprehensive was, without a doubt, charging the high voltage battery. And the take to get from this video is that the electric cars, don't know whether they're worth the money, it's a debate ongoing, but what is very important, they have to be in constant use. Other than that, if they are left for a long time, the high voltage battery is going to discharge up to a level that if the car is going to be taken into the dealer, they say the battery has to be replaced. This would be the case with this one, but we managed to charge it. The problem is it's a quite comprehensive job, so you run into some expenses only because the car has been stood for a long time. Luckily, on this situation, we didn't have to replace anything, and we've got it running. So this is the Audi Q7. Like I said, there are e-tron, e-tron, yeah, not Q7. There are quite a few videos with how we progress with this job. Follow up in, go back in our channel or keep close. Some of them they still to come, but this is the job that is getting to be completed. Few more things to be done. Keep follow. If you like this content, subscribe and stay close for more videos with what is happening in the garage.